Hi everyone, it's this Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. These are items that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Majority of them were during the Hobby Lobby clearance, and then some of them were just sale purchases. So let's get started. So first of all, I picked up these envelopes from the Paper Studio. These are 8 by 875 times 3.875 for the slimline cards. And so I use the craft card base for all my cards. So I bought me some cardstock in order to make the slimline cards. And so I picked up this 100 sheet, and it says 65 pounds craft paper by the Paper Studio also. So those are for my slimline cards. And then I picked up this really interesting stamp set. That's Stampabilities or Stickabilities. And it's because I need to make a card for an avid fisherman. So I picked these up, and we'll be making a birthday card for him. And then I also picked up these cute little buttons. I've already pulled those red annoying clearance tags off of mostly everything, so you won't see those. So I got the little donuts, which are super cute. And then this one that's called Hitting the Trail, and just bought this because it was adorable. And then, let's see, I purchased these Happy Notes notebooks. They had these on clearance, and I think they were $1.74. And they are so cute. They're just a little notebook. I got several of them that I'm going to send to my sisters and my best friend. So I got enough for the 4 of them, and then one for myself. And I think I'll keep the one design that has the girls on it, so they can have the ones with the cute little shoes. I think that's so adorable. So I picked that up. And then I picked up some bling, and this was by the Paper Studio. And it's really pretty because it's kind of iridescent colors, and I've never used this before, so I'm excited to try that. And then I picked up these little cute little gems. It's 24 pack. I think these were like 74 cents or 99 cents. And then I picked up this sticker with the girl with the super glasses on. I know you guys have seen these. This one was on clearance also. And then I picked up these cute little patches that I'll put on a card. It's something different you try. And then I got the little mermaid. And then these are items that I purchased on the 40% off. And I got the little girl there. And these really pretty floral embellishments. It's 6-piece. I love putting flowers on my cards. These are cute with the little buds on them. And these adorable little bows. And it's burlap bows, 8 pieces. And then I picked up some refills for the Tombow glue tape. Got 2 packs of those. I can't remember how much they were, but such a good price. They normally were $10.99. I think, I want to say they were $2 maybe. I'm not sure. I can't remember. And then I picked up this really awesome notebook. It's really heavy duty. Mermaid's Dream. Not really my theme, but I can live with it. And then it has a little mermaid on each page. And I just thought this was awesome. This was normally $9.99. I believe it was $2.74 maybe. And then I purchased these really pretty flowers. I'm going to put these on a sign in my craft room. It's going to have my name on it, I believe. I'm not sure yet, but I picked these up, and these were, I want to say 20-something cent also. I guess I shouldn't pull the stickers off on them until I show them. Then I picked up these really pretty beads. And I think these were gorgeous. I got 2 packs of these. I have something in mind to use them for, so hopefully that pans out. So that is my Hobby Lobby clearance and sale haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.